Hi. How are you today?
I am good, thank you. How about you?
I feel a little tired today.
Yes, me too. It is a busy morning.
Did you finish the report yesterday?
Yes, I sent it last night.
Already. That was fast.
I worked late to finish it.
Did the manager check it yet?
Not yet, he will look this morning.
Are we meeting him today?
Yes, at 10 o'clock in his office.
Did you bring the presentation?
Yes, it is on my laptop.
What if something goes wrong?
Don't worry, we are ready.
Can we review it together?
Yes, let's check it quickly.
Did you see the new emails?
Yes, a few new messages came this morning.
Are there any urgent ones?
Only one is important for the meeting.
Should we reply now?
Yes, it is better to answer quickly.
Do you want coffee?
Yes, a small cup will help.
Is the coffee machine working?
Yes, I used it just now.
Did you have breakfast?
Yes, I ate something light.
What did you eat?
Just toast and an apple.
Did you talk to Sarah today?
Not yet, she is in a meeting.
Will she be free soon?
Maybe after 30 minutes.
Should we wait for her?
Yes, it is better to include her.
Did you hear about the new project?
Yes, it starts next week.
Are we in the same team?
Yes, we work together.
Who is the team leader?
Mr. James will lead us.
Did he meet us yet?
Not yet, the first meeting is Monday.
Will we get the tasks today?
Probably in the afternoon.
Can we plan our work now?
Yes, we can start with small tasks.
Did you finish your email drafts?
Yes, I wrote 2 drafts already.
Should we send them now?
Yes, it is better to send today.
Did you check the printer?
Yes, it is ready to print.
Are we printing reports today?
Yes, a few reports are needed.
Did you talk to the new colleague?
Yes, he seems very nice.
What is his name?
His name is John.
Is he from our department?
Yes, he works in marketing.
Did he need help with anything?
Yes, I helped him set up his computer.
Will he join our lunch today?
I think yes, he is free at noon.
Did you see the manager today?
Not yet, he is busy in a meeting.
Will he call us soon?
Probably after the meeting.
Should we prepare for the presentation?
Yes, let's review the slides once more.
Did you check the graphs?
Yes, they look clear and correct.
Can we finish it quickly?
Yes, it will not take long.
Did you send the last report?
Yes, it went yesterday.
Are we ready for the meeting now?
Yes, everything is ready.
Will it be a good day?
Yes, I think it will be a nice day.
Is it morning already?
Yes, the alarm rang.
Do I have to get up now?
Yes, it is time.
Can I sleep 5 more minutes?
No, you will be late.
Am I late for work?
Not yet, you have some time.
Is breakfast ready?
Yes, I made it.
Did you make tea too?
Yes, your tea is hot.
Where is my shirt?
It is on the chair.
Are my shoes ready?
Yes, they are clean.
Did I pack my bag?
Yes, it is by the door.
Is the weather good today?
The sky is cloudy.
Should I take an umbrella?
Yes, it may rain.
Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, I ate before you woke up.
Will I be late if traffic is bad?
Try to leave a little early.
Can you walk me to the gate?
Yes, I can.
Did I forget my phone?
No, it is in your bag.
What about my wallet?
It is inside your bag.
Is the door locked?
Yes, I checked it.
Do I need anything else?
No, you are ready.
Will you come back inside?
No, I will watch you leave.
Do you always wait for me?
Yes, it is my habit.
Are my keys with me?
Yes, they are in your hand.
Should I lock the gate?
Yes, lock it carefully.
Will you miss me?
Yes, a little.
What if I forget something?
You did not forget.
Do you think today will be good?
Yes, I hope so.
Can I go now?
Yes, go slowly.
Is my bag heavy?
No, it is fine.
Did you feed the cat?
Yes, the cat ate already.
Is the water heater on?
Yes, it is warm.
Did you make the bed?
Yes, it looks tidy.
Should I close the window?
Yes, it is cold outside.
Did I turn off the fan?
Yes, everything is off.
Will you come to work with me?
No, I stay here.
What if it rains on the way?
Take the umbrella, you will be fine.
Did you make my lunch?
Yes, it is in the bag.
Is my ID card ready?
Yes, it is in your pocket.
Should I call you when I reach work?
Yes, I will wait for your message.
Am I forgetting my water bottle?
No, it is in your bag.
Will you watch me leave?
Yes, I always do.
Did you check the mailbox?
Yes, no letters today.
Can I go now?
Yes, take care outside.
Will today be okay?
Yes, I know you will do well.
Did I lock the door properly?
Yes, it is locked.
Are you sure I am ready?
Yes, you are ready for the day.
Is the bus late today?
Yes, it is running a little late.
How long have we waited?
About 10 minutes.
Will it come soon?
I hope so, maybe 5 more minutes.
Did you check the bus schedule?
Yes, it should be here around now.
Can you see the bus yet?
No, not yet.
What if it does not come?
It will come, don't worry.
Should we wait under the shelter?
Yes, it might rain.
Do buses come fast in the morning?
Usually yes, but today is slow.
Did someone call the bus company?
No, it is not necessary yet.
What if we miss work?
We will reach on time if we stay calm.
Are there many people waiting?
Yes, a few more are here too.
Is it hot today?
Yes, the sun is strong.
Should we sit on the bench?
Yes, it is better than standing.
Did the bus pass by already?
No, not yet, we are early.
Do buses often come late?
Sometimes it happens in the morning.
What if it breaks down?
Then we will wait for the next one.
Can you see the number?
Not yet, the bus is far away.
Is it going to rain?
Clouds are dark, maybe soon.
Should we take another bus?
No, this one is better.
How many stops until our station?
About 5 more stops.
Do we have time to sit?
Yes, the bus is not here yet.
Did you bring your ticket?
Yes, it is in my bag.
Do we need coins for the bus?
Yes, just a few coins.
Can we talk while we wait?
Yes, it will pass the time.
Who waits here every day?
Some people walk to the same bus.
What if it is crowded?
We can stand inside, it is okay.
Is it coming now?
Not yet, maybe in 2 minutes.
Do you wait long every day?
Sometimes yes, but I am used to it.
Will it stop at our station?
Yes, it always stops there.
Did it pass the school already?
No, it is still on the road.
What if we get late?
Then we will call and explain.
Should we check the bus app?
Yes, it can tell us the time.
Are there many buses today?
Not many, mornings are slow.
Can we rest a little while?
Yes, but stay near the bus stop.
Do you like waiting for buses?
No, it is boring sometimes.
Who drives this bus?
A man in uniform, he is friendly.
What if it stops suddenly?
Then we wait safely until it moves.
Can we see it now?
Yes, it is coming.
Is it our bus?
Yes, the number is right.
Should we get in quickly?
Yes, hurry before it fills up.
Will we sit inside?
Maybe if seats are free.
Did we wait long today?
About 20 minutes, not too long.
Are we ready to go now?
Yes, let's get on the bus.
Did waiting feel long?
A little, but it is over now.
Will the ride be fast?
Yes, it should be smooth.